Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do some gaming on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video is going to be my gaming review on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I like doing these type of reviews because it's fun to play games. I love to get everyone's opinion on how this phone actually did. We're going to see if it overheats. We also will see if the battery life dies really quick. We're also going to test out to see if the phone gets hot, on the back of it, and just the overall gameplay of the device using the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. So let's get into it. All right, the first game I'm gonna play will be some Injustice 2. Yes, I know it's an old game, but I do like playing it. And it's fun too. All right, we're gonna do some fighting. Let's see what happens. What y'all think? How does it look?
Push yourself harder.
Let's get... Oh, hey. Why are you doing that? Oh, victory, y'all. Victory. Oh, I leveled up. I'm level 3 now. Alright, let's fight one more time. And the battery life is at 92%, y'all, just so we know.
Push yourself harder.
Man, she's mean. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, another victory. So the phone feels fine right now, not warm at all. We're at 92% battery life. Let's do one more round, why not? Then I can play some Asphalt 9. How does the speaker sound? Well, let's get her in there first. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh.
I'm the real Green Lantern. Push yourself harder.
Aha, yes. Another victory, y'all. The game looks great by what I'm seeing on the phone here. Oh, one more. I had to go one more. Oh, he was easy. Oh, why did he come back?
I'm Batman.
Oh.
You're gonna play nice.
Victory. So the battery's at 91%, but it looks good though. Let's go into Asphalt 9. And actually, let's check the temperature too. So 76 degrees, 76.2. That's pretty cool. Not hot at all. Let's see what Asphalt can do to it. All right, let's win some games. That speaker sounds good. I'm in last place. Get off me, fool. So I won the race. Let's go on to another one. The phone on the back seems a little bit warmer now, but not bad though. Oh, I hit the power button. Maybe I should keep it like this. Man, I'm losing. Can I come back? $360. Oh, I'm a wreck. Get out of my way. Can I catch up? Hopefully it looks good on the screen, on my camera. Oh, I don't know what kind of boost that was, but... Oh, I won, y'all. What y'all thought about that? Now I'm at... We can check the battery too. And actually I'm going to flip it back around because... Oh, I got cops on me. The cops are chasing me. Oh, they really are. Oh, they... Get off me. Man, these cops are mean. Oh, get off me. Oh, how many cops do they have on me? Oh, get off me. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm taking them all out, y'all. But there's just more and more. Oh, I got busted. I should have jumped over. Alright, so that was Asphalt 9. Let's see where we're at towards the battery. So we had 89% on the battery. And the phone feels a little bit warmer. So it's at 90. Not too bad, but you could tell it's warming up on the back. So let's play some Call of Duty. I think this is the last game I'm going to play. Alright, so don't laugh at the gameplay, y'all. We got like 100 people on this map. I am horrible at these games. Fight harder. It looks pretty good though. Where's my team? What y'all think about it? How does it look? We got 20 more kills to get.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact.
The phone is a little bit warm in the back, but I think it plays pretty well. I just suck. I can't shoot. Oh, we won, y'all. We won. So that was some Call of Duty. What y'all thought about that one? Let's check out everything now. So I'm at 86% battery life, which is not bad. Started at 92. It's been about 23 minutes of gaming on here. Let's see how hot the phone is. That is not bad. Considering the games I was just playing and the little bit I was playing for it, it's not bad. Now, is the phone warm? Yes, the phone is warm in the back, but overall, that's not bad. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. I thought it did really good. The speaker sounded great by what I was hearing. I didn't see any type of hiccups, but y'all let me know how this Snapdragon Gen 8 or what is it? The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor did, and also the 12 gigs of RAM. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace, I'm out.